We're going to take a look at the world of drag racing today, and Lizzy Musi is going to serve as our inspiration. When I say that Lizzy Musi is an amazing drag racer who received her abilities from her father, many who know her will agree with me and say the same thing. Stay to the very end of this video because we are going to expose all the information on her most recent cancer update, as well as whether or not she is still engaged to Kai Kelly. We are all aware of how, on April 21, 2023, Lizzy chose to use her various social media accounts to provide her followers with an update about her most current health status. The motorsports world was taken aback when they learned that one of their cherished racers was battling breast cancer at a stage 4 level. In addition, she revealed how she learned she had cancer in the latter half of the year 2022. But I'm happy to report that today brought some positive news. She went through various medical procedures and chemotherapy not too long ago, and thank God it seems to be working. Through a message on her Facebook page, she informed her audience that her lymph nodes are returning to normal and that the tumors on her body had greatly diminished. Concerning the most recent information, it's possible that there have been favorable developments in her health, but not so much in her love life. The story of she and Kai takes place in the past. You got it completely correct. They severed their relationship, and it seems that Kai has also moved on with his life. Fans were shocked when they learned that the pair they rooted for so passionately existed in another universe. During the whole of Lizzy's process of rehabilitation, Kai has been incredibly unsupportive, and Lizzy has taken to Facebook to let her followers know this. I believe that their iconic quarrel that took place on the racecourse also played a significant part in the couple's decision to divorce. Everything was simply a rumor up until a short while ago, when Kai tweeted a picture of the woman who may be his new girlfriend. A woman can be seen in the picture wearing a quite large hat. A picture's caption is what makes it intriguing, not the shot itself. In case it wasn't clear enough, Kelly clarified things by stating that the person in the photo was not Musi. All of the picture strongly implies that Kelly has entered into a new relationship after her divorce. We are unable to comment more due to the fact that neither party has provided any evidence to support this theory. There have been no indications that Lizzy is seeing anybody else at this time. Instead, she is concentrating on her recuperation. In a recent post on Instagram, she expressed her gratitude to the medical professionals who treated her and participated in the pharmacological trials she underwent. In addition to her struggle towards sobriety, she has also begun her training at the track. She is now competing in the NPK and revealing to the public the true identity of Lizzy Musi. Many people admired Lizzy for the candor with which she discussed her experience and thanked her for it. She did not hold back when it came to releasing her raw healing images. She showed everything from her shorn head to her CT scans. She did not hide anything. Not only did she have cancer at stage 4, but she was also working to raise awareness about breast cancer. Racer Justin Swan was one of the people who showed their support for her. The vinyl wrap that he put on his Lexus was his unconventional but heartfelt way of showing support for the cause. It's a bright pink ribbon that glows in the dark to represent the fight against breast cancer. In his message, he congratulated her on her accomplishments and offered best wishes for the future. He also discussed the significance of glow-in-the-dark material. Lizzy did not let her issues with her health or her personal life have an effect on her job, in spite of all that was going on. She maintains a consistent presence on YouTube, where she updates her followers on her upcoming races. And as a result, she now has more than 67,000 subscribers. This figure is not restricted to simply her channel on YouTube. She also has 364,000 followers on Instagram. And while we're on the subject of her Instagram, she just launched a fundraising campaign for the organization that supports people with triple-negative breast cancer. She was able to maintain her composure both before and after her recovery by not being concerned with who remained by her side and who abandoned her. We hope that the rest of her life is filled with joy and good health. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Feel free to share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.